Hello friends, welcome to Biology and Career.
In the last video, I discussed question number 1 to question number 25 of CSIR NET December 2019 Life Science question paper. In this lecture video, I will discuss the rest questions, question number 26 to 50. If you have not seen the last video, then check the description box. I have attached the link in the description box. Question number 26. The frequency of homozygotes in a diploid population is 0.68. Assuming that the population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the frequencies of the two alleles are 0.1 and 0.9, 0.2 and 0.8, 0.4 and 0.6, or 0.5 and 0.5. The right answer is option 2, 0.2 and 0.8. Question number 27. Which one of the following statements related to transcription and processing of mRNA is incorrect? The options are: during prokaryotic transcription, DNA binding properties of RNA polymerase are altered by sigma factor. Option 2. In eukaryotic transcription, synthesis of RNA, mRNA and some small RNAs occurs by RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Option 3. Splicing observed in tRNA involves successive or sequential cleavage and ligation reactions, while pre-mRNA splicing proceeds through lariat formation. Option 4. mRNA with premature stop codons are degraded by nonsense mediated decay (NMD), and mRNAs without an in-frame stop codon get accumulated and translated in the cytoplasm. The right answer is option 4. Question number 28. In context of DNA methylation, which one of the following statements is false? Option 1. Generally, methylation occurs at the third carbon position of cytosine and converts it to 3-methyl cytosine. Option 2. Maintenance methyltransferase acts constitutively on hemimethylated sites and converts them to fully methylated sites. Option 3. During mammalian gametogenesis, the genomic methylation patterns are erased in primordial germ cells. Option 4. Replication converts a fully methylated site to hemimethylated site. The right answer is option 1. Generally, methylation occurs at the third carbon position of cytosine and converts it to 3-methyl cytosine. Question number 29. Which one of the following graphs best describes the dependence of free energy change del G of ATP hydrolysis on magnesium concentration? There are 4 graphs and the right answer is option 1. C. This option 1 graph is the right answer. Question number 30. Vascular wilts are widespread and destructive plant diseases. The symptoms of this disease are primarily caused by the clogging of options are xylem vessels, phloem vessels, stomata or hydatodes. The right answer is option 1, xylem vessels. Question number 31. Interacting genes which are involved in producing continuous variation in phenotypes in a population are known as or constitute. Options are codominant genes, pseudogenes, alleles, or QTLs. The right answer is option 4, QTLs. Question number 32. In a form of stress response, bacteria synthesize a group of proteins called stress proteins or heat shock proteins such as DNA-K, DNA-J, GROEL, GROES, and GRPE. DNA-K is an ATP binding protein which attaches to the newly synthesized polypeptide in conjugation with DNA-J. Which one of the following statements correctly states a step in the subsequent process of protein folding? The options are: the affinity of DNA-K to the polypeptide increases upon hydrolysis of the ATP to ADP. Option 2. DNA-J is an exchange factor that replaces ADP with ATP in DNA-K. Option 3. ATP hydrolysis is required for the phosphorylation of DNA-J. Option 4. ATP hydrolysis is required for the phosphorylation of GRPE. The right answer is option 1. The affinity of DNA-K to the polypeptide increases upon hydrolysis of the ATP to ADP. Question number 33. The tDNA region of the Ti plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens harbors two genes, X and Y. Mutation of gene X produces a rooty tumor while mutation of gene Y produces shoots in the tumor. Based on the above information, which one of the following statements is correct? The options are: gene X encodes auxins and gene Y encodes cytokinins. Option 2. Gene X encodes cytokinins and gene Y encodes auxins. Option 3. Gene X and gene Y both encodes auxins. Option 4. Gene X encodes opins while gene Y encodes cytokinins. The right answer is option 2. Gene X encodes cytokinins and gene Y encodes auxins. Question number 34. Match the following vitamins with the corresponding pathological conditions arising from their deficiencies. Vitamins are A, B12, D, K. Disease: pernicious anemia, subdermal hemorrhaging, night blindness, and rickets. There are 4 options, and the right answer is option 1. Question number 35. The cells of inner cell mass of a blastocyte stage mammalian embryo are totipotent, pluripotent, multipotent, or unipotent. The right answer is option 2, pluripotent. Question number 36. Which one of the following does not use RNA sequencing? Options are: mapping transcription initiation sites, long non-coding RNA profiling, alternative polyadenylation profiling, or mammalian epigenome sequencing. The right answer is option 4, mammalian epigenome sequencing. Question number 37. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is frequently used as a vector to create transgenic plants. Under laboratory conditions, agrobacterium mediated plant transformation does not require Options are host plant genes, bacterial type 4 secretion system, VIR genes, or opinel catabolism genes. Question number 38. Which one of the following statements related to molecular cloning procedures is incorrect? The options are 5' overhangs of restricted DNA fragments can be blunt-ended by clinopolymerase but not by DNase 1. A DNA fragment obtained as an XHOY fragment C overhangs TCGAG may be ligated at the salt site G overhang TCGAC in a vector. Option 3. To prevent self-ligation of a vector digested with KPNI GGTAC overhang C, alkaline phosphatase enzyme is used to remove 3' PO4 groups from the ends of fragments. Option 4. Alpha complementation or blue-white screening may produce blue-colored recombinant colonies containing cloned fragments in case of translational fusion with the beta-galactosidase gene. The right answer is option 3. Question number 39. In summer squash, white color fruit capital W is dominant over yellow color small w and disc shaped phenotype capital D. Determine the genotype of the parent if the cross between white sphere crossed with white sphere gives 3/4 white sphere and 1/4 yellow sphere. The options are capital WWDD into small wwdd. Option 2 capital W small dd into capital W small dd. Option 3 capital W small w capital D small d into small wwdd. Option 4 small ww capital DD into capital WW small dd. The right answer is option 2 capital W small dd into capital W small dd. Question number 40. The amino acid side chains of the 4 histones in the nucleosome are subjected to remarkable variety of post-translation modification such as phosphorylation, acetylation and methylation. Which one of the following post-translational marks on histone tails is usually associated with transcriptional repression? The options are acetylation of H3K9, methylation of H3K9, acetylation of H4K5 and phosphorylation of H3S10. The right answer is option 2 methylation of H3K9. Question number 41. In a neuron, proteins and membranes are primarily synthesized in the cell body. These materials must be transported down the axon to the synaptic region using microtubules in an anterograde fashion. Such axonal transport is directed by options are dynein, kinesin 1, dynein and kinesin 1, myosin. The right answer is option 2 kinesin 1. Question number 42. Which one of the following synaptic vesicle proteins is involved in tethering of the vesicle to the cytoskeletal system in the nerve terminus? Options are synaptotagmin, synapsin, synaptophysin, or synaptobrevin? The right answer is option 2, synapsin. Question number 43. Which one of the following factors is known to be involved in postponing programmed cell death in cereal aleuron until endosperm mobilization is complete? The options are gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, acidic pH of the vacuoles, or CGMP mediated signal transduction pathway. The right answer is option 2, abscisic acid. Question number 44. Which one of the following is not a G protein coupled receptor? The options are epinephrine receptor, transferrin receptor, glucagon receptor, or thyroid stimulating hormone receptor. The right answer is option 2, transferrin receptor. Question number 45. Which one of the following show complete metamorphosis in all three orders? The options are coleopterans, dipterans, and hymenopterans. Option 2, coleopterans, hymenopterans, or orthopterans. Option 3, dipterans, lepidopterans, and hemipterans. Option 4, hymenopterans, lepidopterans, and orthopterans. The right answer is option 1, coleopterans, dipterans, and hymenopterans. Question number 46. Readers of histone modifications include, options are Shan domain proteins, back domain proteins, pass domain proteins, or Tudor domain proteins. The right answer is option 4, Tudor domain proteins. Question number 47. What is the probability of getting a sum of 9 from simultaneously throwing 2 Ds? The options are 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, or 1 by 12. The right answer is option 3, 1 by 9. Question number 48. Which one of the following hormones is responsible for mobilizing calcium from the bone and increasing urinary excretion of phosphate? The options are calcium, angiotensin II, parath hormone, or vasopressin. The right answer is option 3, parath hormone. Question number 49. Cnidarians are triploblastic animals with bilateral symmetry. Option 2. Diploblastic animals with medusa as one of the basic body forms. Option 3. Monoblastic organisms with tube feet. Option 4. Asymmetric organisms with tentacles containing poison glands. The right answer is option 2. Diploblastic animals with medusa as one of the basic body forms. Question number 50. The interaction energy between two opposite charges separated by 3 angstrom in vacuum is minus 500 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1. The interaction energy between these two charges in water will be closest to. The options are minus 1500 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1, minus 166 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1, minus 55 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1, or minus 6 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1. And the right answer is option 4, minus 6 kilojoule mole to the power minus 1.